You know what I just discovered about GitHub? They have this feature called Copilot that uses AI to actually help write code. Like, how cool is that?
Wait, seriously. I've heard bits and pieces about it, but how exactly does it work? Does it really understand what you're trying to do?
Yeah, it analyzes the code you're writing and suggests whole lines or functions. It's like having a coding buddy who's always got your back.
That's wild, but doesn't it assume the programmer knows what they want? What if their direction is off and the suggestions are just wrong?
Right? I mean, it's powerful, but I wonder how often it makes suggestions that aren't helpful. That could lead to bad coding practices.
Exactly. And think about how that could impact learning for new developers. If they rely too much on AI, do they truly understand the code?
True, it's like using a recipe app without ever learning to cook. But isn't it also about improving efficiency?
Definitely. Imagine the time saved on mundane tasks. But what about job displacement? Are junior developers at risk here?
That's a huge concern. AI really could take over some tasks, but I think it also opens opportunities for more creative work.
Yeah, like focusing on architecture or design rather than just writing boilerplate code. But will teams embrace this?
I think they might, especially with companies looking to innovate, but there's always resistance to change.
Good point. It's fascinating how some developers might see it as a crutch, while others might see it as a tool for growth.
Totally, and GitHub isn't just about Copilot. They've got features for app deployment and security as well.
Right, like GitHub Actions, which automate workflows. That's another game changer for developers, isn't it?
Absolutely, but it makes me think, how do we ensure these automations don't introduce new errors?
That's a really good question. The balance between automation and oversight is delicate. We can't just let it run free.
Exactly, and then there's security. GitHub advanced security claims to find vulnerabilities, but how reliable is that?
The evidence seems a bit mixed. Sure, it's great, but can it catch everything? And what about false positives?
Right? I wouldn't want to get flagged for something minor while missing a critical vulnerability.
It's such a tightrope walk. Developers need to stay informed and not just trust the tools blindly.
But that's the challenge, isn't it? Keeping up with tech while also making sure we're not getting complacent.
Absolutely. It's a journey, and each of these tools has its pros and cons. What do you think the future holds?
I think it's going to be about synergy between developers and AI, finding ways to enhance creativity, not replace it.
Yeah, that's a hopeful perspective. I just hope companies prioritize training over just using tools blindly.
For sure, encouraging learning and adaptation can lead to more innovative solutions. It's exciting and scary.
Exactly. And as we integrate these tools, we might discover new ways of problem solving we never imagined.
Right? It's like we're at the beginning of a whole new era in coding and app development.
And it's so fascinating to think about how this will shape the landscape of technology.
Definitely, I can't help but wonder, how do we prepare the next generation for this AI-driven future?
Great question. Emphasizing critical thinking and problem solving might be key, along with tech skills.
That makes sense. We need to encourage a mindset of questioning, not just accepting what AI suggests.
Agreed, it's about leveraging AI without losing that human touch. Balance is essential.
For sure, and teaching ethical implications alongside technical skills could be crucial.
Absolutely. As we dive deeper into AI, ethics in tech is going to be a hot topic for sure.
I can't wait to see how this all unfolds. It's both thrilling and daunting.
Same here. And it makes me think about what other industries could benefit from this kind of innovation.
Oh, for sure, healthcare, education, finance, there are endless possibilities for AI to transform.
That's a great point. Each industry will have unique challenges and opportunities, won't they?
Definitely, and it's going to be interesting to see how they adapt. Some may embrace it faster than others.
Indeed, it feels like we're on the cusp of something major. I wonder what will be the biggest breakthrough.
I think integrating AI in a way that complements human skills would be a big one. That synergy.
That's such a good takeaway. Finding that balance is what will drive true innovation forward.
So true, I'm excited to keep watching how all this plays out. It's such an exciting time.
Absolutely. And figuring out our place in this rapidly changing world will be an adventure on its own.
Exactly. So, what do you think will be the key skill for developers in the coming years?
I'd say adaptability will be crucial. Staying flexible and open to change is key to thriving.
I love that. It's all about embracing change while keeping our critical thinking sharp. So needed.
Absolutely. I think this blend of tech and human creativity is where the magic will happen.